Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over another premium medium question in the database category that I just solved on my own. So again, I'm glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help, and I did it pretty quickly. So let me show you how I did it. This one is called evaluate Boolean expression. Pretty straightforward. Basically just make sure x is bigger than 66 bigger than 77 is false. So that goes like that. So just evaluate all of these and put the values as a string. So pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and loop through variables. Name. And let's create a dictionary so that we have d of v is equal to variables value of I, so that we can just fetch this and get this when we're evaluating it here. And then iterate over expressions operator. So the current operator is just going to be, let's call it O. And then basically just have to evaluate this. So let's call this current is, so basically if O is equal to this, then we have to do three things. If O is equal to this, else it must be less than. So then we would say the current condition is d of expressions left operator I is bigger than d of expressions right operator of I. Okay, so that should evaluate to false in this case. And then we do the same thing for equals. And then for less than as well. So cur equals d expressions less than. Cool, so now this should give us a result. It should be a Boolean for each of these. So if current is true, then we can append the left operator, right operator to value. So expressions, left operator I, and along with the operator itself, and then also the right one. And then also true in this case, right? So otherwise, if it's false, then do this opposite. And then false, right? Cool. So now that we can just go ahead and print answer, and we should get what we need. Left operator. What is going on? Left operand. Right. Right operand. Why do they not have what? Left operand. Okay. Answer is not defined. Okay. Okay, cool. So now we basically have our answer. So you see they line up. So we can just go ahead and declare the data frame, return it after setting all these columns to 1, to 2, 3, but we haven't defined these yet, so value is 4. Cool, so now we just have to go over answer, and 1.append a of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, append a 1, so just this. 3.append a 2, which is this. 4.append a of 3. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. Again, I'm pretty glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question and solve it on my own pretty easily. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.